Hey, Milo. Say hey. Hi, Milo. Milo. Let me stop playing. Okay, all right. You can go. Goodbye. Goodbye, Milo. Goodbye. You messing up my camera. Okay, go. Good boy. All right, I gotta readjust. Sit up like this so I can I got some clothes on. Of course, you know who back, Milo. Hey y'all. I know y'all like, girl, but I'm doing an unedited version of I'm doing an unedited video. It's gonna be like, obviously, like if I'm like lead a room, I edit that out. But other than that, it's gonna be unedited. I just was tired of like all the structure and here is this and it does this and let's do this. It was very structured and I felt like I wasn't showing myself enough. So what about an unedited? You can hear all my mistakes and see the process I take when reviewing products. So I'm about to go get it. Come on, Milo, let's go. Come on. My son is asleep, so that's perfect. And I have my Fenty package. I got this like, okay, you can go. You're going to keep messing up my camera because you're a big boy now. See, now it's all over. Dang. All right, so I have my package because I want to see what was really up with this Fenty what is this? Hand cream, because I love me some good lotion. Sometimes lotions smell funny to me. Like I've been using like what is it called? The Palmer's lotion, like coconut. And I'm like, it don't give me enough. Like I need to see a shine. Leave my lights alone. I'm about to kick you out, little one. I don't think like this video is everywhere. I want to have a good shine. Like I wanted to have some long lasting on my hand, you know, because after a long day of being at work or being out, you know, you wash your hands so much being out and then you come home and I feel like my hands still be like cracky, and not cracky as in like drugs, but cracky as in like texture, you know. It'd be looking cracked, be looking dry, and I want my hands to look nice, you know. You want some nice hands so we can get your nails done, your hands look nice, get your rings, you know it's like you want nice hands. Females and men, do not get it twisted. Men should also have great hands too. So yeah, I'm about to open it up like I was doing. They secured it well with some tape. They ain't letting nobody get my Fenty. This not for you. Up all this paper for this. Ooh, look at it. Focus. It ain't focusing, and we wasting time. Okay, so this is the Hydro Set Intensive Recovery Hand Mask. So it's a mask for your hands, like, yes. But it's not like a wash off mask. Like you keep it on and be like, I gotta wait 10 minutes for it to dry. And you just put it on after you wash your hands. So the instructions is to use once a day before bed. Oh, I'm about to use that right now. Oh, well, it ain't bedtime. But we gonna act like it's bedtime, and I'm just gonna use them to see how it smells and stuff. So I wanna wash my hands and then see how I feel and stuff. Okay, I like this. Like I really like this. Like I would actually put this on my feet too. I feel like it'll give me some really nice feet, really nice soft feeling feet. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited for this. Let me go wash my hands. I'm not gonna bring the camera in here. That's too much. Come on, Milo. Come on. Dang, you study knocking over my camera. My hands are nice and dried, and it's time to see what this do. I had to check on my son real quick because he likes to, not really, he don't roll yet, so let's get close. Why'd I put this on like I don't got no shirt on? Alright, so here it is here, and it's just a twist. Oh, it comes off. I like this, but then again I don't, because I lose stuff, and I feel like in the next 2 months it's just gonna look like this. But since I'm using it just at night, I should be able to just twist it back on, put it back in my drawer, or shelf. So it look like this. It's not it's not focusing. So this is how it looks. Come on, focus. So this is how it is. And I'm just gonna put it in my hand. It has a very calm scent. It's a little, ooh, this feel like soft Aquaphor. This is what I need, some soft Aquaphor. You know, so Aquaphor can be a little too oily or a little too thick, like Vaseline. And we don't really always want Vaseline on our hands, you know, because sometimes you just feel like hot and like sweaty. I like this. This feel like a very soft Aquaphor. If you know what Aquaphor is, let me get it real quick. Let me show you what Aquaphor is. Ouch. This is Aquaphor, right? It's like, you know how you mix some Aquaphor and some oil when you get out the tub, or like, you know, want to moisturize your body nice. If y'all moisturize your body with this, you know, it's just like, it feels like oil and Aquaphor put together. Like I said, soft Aquaphor. I'm gonna put a little more on. It's not the best at focusing. I just want to focus on my face. I'm sorry, y'all. Let me try again. Let me lean over. Yeah, this is how it looks. Wait. Boom. Hey, Halloween. All right. Let me make sure I put my top back on. All right. And I just have this amount in, and I'm just gonna rub it around. Soft Aquaphor, like, it feels great. It feels great. I'm gonna put these on my feet too. I'm not gonna show my feet because they're not cute. And who about to be embarrassed on YouTube? But not me. Not me. Oh, since it's unedited, that means I can like zoom in on my face. My infamous. Oh, I'm sorry, Milo. You so close. You trying to smell what this is? Okay, let's see what's in this, and then let me get my phone to see what's in this. Would you stop licking my feet, boy? Dogs, boy. And babe, let me see. Oh, look at my hands. Oh, they feel so soft. Let me get my phone so I can read the ingredients in this product. Well, first it was $22, which is not bad, or you can pay $5.50 in 4 payments. Do not be ashamed to split your payments up, even for small things. Get your coins and make your coins stretch, okay? And then, like I said, moisture and leave hands with soft and glossy sheen, which I agree with. My feet feel the best though. Like I just walked, I have carpet, and I just walked to the living room to get my phone, and my feet feels great. Like my feet feel soft, my feet feel amazing, and I just put it on a little, you know, I didn't put that much on my feet, you know, and it feels great. It say after 4 weeks, it hydrates and improves the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And then after a week, 100% agrees to soften the hands, 98% agrees to comforts and soothe skin, 96 agrees to, and it conditions, nourish, and replenish the skin, and just some other statistics there. And here is what is in the hand scrub. It smells like green tea. Is it green tea in here? No, it's mango butter. It got some melon oil. It's got some Barbados cherries, just like this one did. Or I think it's, yeah, because this is the wash. So I think either this had the Barbados cherries, I think it was, yeah, or the moisturizer, or I think it was this one, or both. Yeah. Anyway, dang. But yeah, that is that, and I love this. And they tell you how to use it, you know, of course, but we already know to put on your hands every day at night. And here are the other ingredients as well. They always give you a list of them. And I really like this. I'm going to be using this every night because this is great. I just want to give an initial, you know, review on it, how I feel on it, my exact words. Not my exact word, obviously my exact word, my exact feelings about it. The smell, it smells good. When you like touching somebody, or like you want to have some good smelling hands. Period. Ooh, and this is great for always washing y'all hands, y'all. Put this on at night and y'all hands are gonna feel beautiful. And your feet too, don't forget the feet. My little one woke up. But listen, my feet feel like his. It may be a stretch, but my feet feel really good. It's the feet more than me. But let me tell you, I'm gonna be just using it on my feet and my hands at night. But I'm letting y'all know, if y'all struggle with keeping your hands moisturized, please get this. This is gonna make a huge difference. It feels great, but I ain't even like say, hey, this is Share the Berry TV. Hey, this is Share the Berry TV. And if y'all new here, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Do y'all like the unedited version for you and for y'all and my, you know, usual berries? Do y'all like the unedited version? Do y'all like a less structured video? Or God bless, I mean, you burped. But say God bless you. But do y'all like a more structured video about the products, or more loose? Or like in between? Because right now I was like real loose, like it was everywhere. But I feel like I still gave you my initial thoughts on this product, and it was just you know, a hand lotion, so it wasn't much I had to talk about. But I want y'all to know I rate this product a 10. My feet feeling like yours, baby. And I'm gonna put this on every night. For real, for real. I'm gonna wash my hands and just, you know, put it on. It's gonna be great. I gotta make bottles at night though, so it's gonna kind of wash off, but it's gonna be beneficial because I always wash my bottles and stuff, and my hands is always in some water. So yeah, this is gonna be great for me. I enjoy this. I probably use it more than once a day. You keep shaking my camera. My dog keep rocking under my tripod. You shaking. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, you are the truest berry of the bunch. Yes, I'm gonna continue to say that because making it to the end of a video is just dope. Like, y'all really rock with me, and I thank y'all for that. But thank y'all so much for watching. I will see y'all next time, and again, thank you for tuning in to Share the Berry TV. Peace.